Hello everybody, it's Lurgs here. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to save you time and money. And today it's the Bosch washing machine. If your fabric softener is not draining properly after a wash and you've still got fabric softener in your dispenser drawer, then you could have a bit of mould and gunk and blockage in some of the jet holes. I'll show you how you can easily fix this. Right, let's get cracking. What you're going to need today is your partner's toothbrush and you're going to need a piece of wire.
Lurgs, have you been using my toothbrush for cleaning again?
No. Right, so if you've been doing a wash and at the end of the wash you open your dispenser drawer and you've still got fabric softener in the middle, this indicates that you may have a blockage in your jet nozzles. This is where the jet nozzles wash out and push through the fabric softener into the washing machine. So the first thing to do is remove the dispenser drawer. Whilst I'm doing that, there's a link above now about how to install a brand new washing machine. Now this level indicator cap just pulls off. You can see this is not in bad condition, but we've got lots of fabric softener residue just sitting in here. And this is inside the dispenser drawer area. And this is not too bad, but as you can see on the top, we've got a bit of mould and gunk. This machine is only 8 months old, so you can see how quickly it builds up. And we're really careful with this washing machine. Now before you get started, it's really important to just get a cloth and just block that hole up, because you don't want the toothbrush or the wire falling down into the washing machine, because that is a world of pain. Whilst I'm blocking that hole up, there's a link above now about what to do if your washing machine is not draining water. Now I'm going to take my coat hanger wire, and what you're doing here is you're just basically pushing it into these jet nozzle holes here, and the fabric softener on this Bosch washing machine is in the middle. So you're just pushing it up there into each hole, just making sure that you can remove any gunk and gunge. Now if you've got a dental floss toothbrush, that is absolutely ideal. If you've got a small brush head on the end, you can just poke that up inside there and just wiggle it about and just make sure you get any debris out of there or any mould. Now I believe this whole unit does actually pull off. You can see some small clips at the back, but I tried this and it was really difficult, and you have to be very careful because obviously you do not want to snap this. So I'm just going to clean it with this hook. And obviously while you're in here, you might as well clean the other holes as well on the detergent side and the pre-wash detergent side, just to make sure that they're nice and clear. These are unlikely to be blocked because obviously the fabric softener does create mould and gunk over time. Then take your partner's toothbrush and just get inside here with some hot soapy water and just give this a really good scrub all around the jet nozzle holes and basically all around the dispenser drawer area. As we've got it all opened up, you might as well get this spotlessly clean. Get it as good as you can, and then take a hot soapy cloth and give it a good scrub as well. Whilst I'm doing that, there's a link above now about how to activate the child lock on this Bosch washing machine. Now I've got my wet soapy cloth and just giving that a really good clean. This is about 5 or 10 minutes later. As you can see, this is looking pretty good. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to clean the actual dispenser drawer. So I'm just going to lift this off. This is actually not too bad, but we can clean all this with our partner's toothbrush. So we've already started to get a bit of mould residue building up on here. And as we're going to put it back, we might as well make it spotlessly clean. So just give this a really good scrub with hot soapy water. And there's a link above now about what to do if the door is stuck on this Bosch washing machine. As you can see on the back, there's a bit of mould residue building up as well. So let's just clean this up. I'm not going to show you all this footage, but this is what it looks like after I've given it a really good clean. So that's looking spick and span top notch. Just going to give this level indicator a quick clean as well. And then we're ready to put the dispenser drawer back in once it's dried off. Might as well check the rubbers inside the door here, make sure there's no blockages in there and that's all nice and clean. If it is dirty, you can give that a clean with a soft soapy cloth or your partner's toothbrush again. Now just put the dispenser drawer back in, line it up. You may have to push that button down and then just slide it all the way home. And then what you definitely need to do is put it on a wash where you can put it on the hottest setting that there is. Don't put any clothes in it, don't put any detergent in it, just set it to the hottest it will go, and this one will go to 90 degrees. And then just start a washing cycle or a rinse cycle and just flush the whole washing machine through. That should finally get rid of any mould and gunk throughout the washing machine. If you have any, you can put mouthwash into the detergent drawer compartment. This will make it even cleaner. And then don't forget to put your partner's toothbrush back.
Look!
Actually, I'm only joking. That's a spare toothbrush that I use for cleaning all my dirty bits. And after all that hard work, it is definitely time for a lovely cup of tea. If you would like more how-tos on how to save you time and money, then please press the subscribe button down here. I really do appreciate you visiting my channel, everyone. If you'd like to select any other videos around here, that would be really cool. And be sure to hit that bell notification tab.